But this Bontrowe, no go no Gegwan. No boy, he dey fight for Bola. He dey say, you know, say that or Smoke Bola. Smoke Bola, they always say Tisquangwa Bontrowe. So Bontrowe not get choice than to they just star. They aim love from Ekia, from Smoke Bola, and they use star. They collect, they insult, you know, they find no get trouble. You understand? If you give person something, good morning, smiles, colleagues. If you give person something, not use and laugh am. When it be so, Bontrowe, quand they insult Enogie with Lvie, imagine, Lvie, what it be Lvie? Lvie is the most cheapest dry fish in Nigeria that everybody can afford. Yes. You know, see that video when I make for Nigeria. Lvie, that one Lvie, it was just 800 naira upon once in a restaurant too. Very cheap. So how can a Bontrowe, the only woman when government not collect her pikin, but because she was irresponsible mother, she lose her children for the father of her child. Bad record. A only woman when they put stone chair for a pikin hand, me need that. And she go, they come out, they talk to me, say, I born for 12 May, 12 father. Because me not beautiful. That two one at the talk. It's just the beginning. You got me? You understand? You come out to be talking to me, mother. I just go and drop my kids in school. I just came back. I'm so glad. I'm so glad to be a responsible mom. You got me? A woman who have child at home. I have kids at home. Okay? I got kids. I'm a mother. A well-recommended mother from Deutschland. Okay? Dear Enogie. Leave Bontrowe. Bontrowe is confused. It's like a JK that live in Dortmund, in Munich. Like me now. You're going to expect me to reply JK, Junkie, JK. The abbreviation of JK is Junkie. Please follow me on Obo Proud Mom, aka the Lioness. Follow that page. Very soon I will not be coming here. I will be doing my video there. Okay. How can you be reply? Can I reply? Who they talk to me? Say I they describe Magbola. Why won't I describe irresponsible Magbola that always come out on hell to make man talk to a woman? What a man can do, a woman can do it perfect these days. If a man can expect a woman to take care of him, work to support the home, why won't woman do anything doable as a woman? Okay, now man deserve to insult women. They talk, say woman bekus me labalaba. I don't have right to say man in your village. That JK when he born dead body, picky when he die. You don't mind your business. You know here I say you don't need mad woman as a woman. You don't need a mad woman. What you call him in his live video, what did he tell you? He told you he don't need a mad woman as a woman. That he called us at least me Osho Mere Mase Ejeke Hakure Ologbo Junction. Yes, Osho better pass JK. If you want to marry a man, choose wisely. Choose Osho where picking. Good morning, my beloved sweethearts. I say, women choose Osho over JK. It's better to marry Osho when picking day with for house than to marry a chunky. Yes, marry Osho when picking day with for house than to marry a chunky. Don't marry a chunky. Who picking, who are whom, who they smoke Morocco. They smoke Morocco. So tell woman when it's supposed to take care of pikin, man, please share this video. Make me can receive sense. Choose wisely, men. When you marry or show, you shall be knack. You get good character. You can change or show to woman when you really knack. You knack and wear. They break. Because the painer. She not go look another man. You understand? Or show fit change. But a JK can never change. JK can never change. Can I prophesy? JK can never change. Let me tell you this. JK, they smoke. Even though when she get belle. Smoke, they back picking for inside belle. Too much of Morocco. Ogbomoyeko. Na be JK for you. Munich picking. Learn from her mistake. You understand? Learn from this. Men, marry a show over JK. Like Bontrowe. When they smoke, they beat her children. Bontrowe, when they smoke, they put a pikin for ground, carry overload, put for his head. But JK, when they drink, they forget her children. So the man go they record them. Go they give government. Don't choose JK. I will block your ass after I to put down where me I can't block you. Idiot. Marry a Osho over JK. Never you marry JK as a woman. No, don't do that. Don't do that. JK don't have control. You can take them to club. They will disgrace you. You understand? You will take them to club. They will disgrace you. Okay? You can take JK to club. Instead of JK to the give you honor, JK go they put disgrace for your body. How can you take a JK to club? You as a man, you they drink Red Bull. Red Bull. JK go carry drink, they talk anyhow. Is that one a woman? No. Marry or show when you know they drink. She know they smoke. I don't drink, I don't smoke. I'm a responsible show. I don't drink, I don't smoke. You understand me, men? You can change or show when you have a sweet bola. When I say bola, I laugh because I love bola. You understand me? I love bola. A good one. A good one that pays. A good one that puts food in the table. Do you got me? Don't marry a JK over Osho. Osho, they care for picking. You not get as JK go pretend rich. If he get belle, he go they smoke, they drink. That thing can harm a child. Now it leads to buy or many for JK, for Munich, picking for inside belle. So choose wisely, men. You may count my word irrelevant, but I'm saying the truth. I'm saying the truth. See JK now. She born one for Nigeria, Bontrowe. He born one for UK, for Italy. I never born picky when it buy, unless I abort them. I'm a great to show. So Enogie, please avoid Lvie robber Bontrowe. No need apology from him, even though he apologized to you. They say na rat when they close to person, and they carry person information. Go they give your enemy. How can your party when you call party? When the person when you call party, they fight you against man. When they describe your woman, because and you call that one a party. A woman that you did not offend, they see call you, may you call wish. Man, when they describe your wife, your children, they curse your children, happy birthday. Ha! That will not be friend of my brother. Not before it of if you really love that friend because if they find his small carrots. Where my carrots? I don't want that carrot to lost. I don't want to lose that carrot because that carrot is so special to me. Let me use this. A man when they insult your children, not before for it to define that smoke bola when I use for free. Drop. I throw me out. I drop it. Just like this. Gami, if not before him, she to go meet the smoke carrots. Make smoke carrot go and apologize to you and your beautiful wife and your cute children for the bad attitude, insult when you insult your children. No. If you but away single father by stupidity, no call Ekia to come apologize to you. But if they call you to wish Ekia happy birthday, that is still finish. Why? You know why they do my own for this Facebook? Because a lot of people on Facebook, they love to use you. They want you to dance to their toes. They love to control you. Fake friends everywhere. Fake friends everywhere. Fake friends everywhere. They are so fake to my personality. I'm a one-man squad. One-man squad. Yes, I don't listen to their video. No. I know who I concentrate on. The ass boy, a ass boy, that is my target. And nobody can distract me. I just want to contribute to Enogie, to leave a unfriendly friend alone. Ekia Bola, na bonto where they find. And Ekia doctor can say he is not his kind. And if if you go for victim for Bontraway hand and JK in Munich, I will love you to fall for them so that people will believe me. A little kleine baby Bola, they will really know how little it is. Good morning, my love. How little it is. You got me? If you go for them, they will really deal with you. So wise up. If you don't want people to that your smoke bola, if you don't want me to prove people to prove me right, you know I don't know how to snap record people. But I know what I'm saying. Good morning, my love. Please share this video as you come. Enogie! Stay away from a friendly friend. You have no friend on social media. All those presenters, don't take them as a friend. Okay? If you're born through away, it carry another man matter for heads. She not go reason as he won't take lawyer. She they see you born for 10 men. Why she? Fornication. Remove her. This idiot only they call me for WhatsApp. If I finish, I they block you straight ahead. You know they change. Please, Mona, share the video. For show proud no, please share that video. If you're born through away, if you're robber, the only single father, when he not fit take lawyer, you should not take lawyer because she have a damaged record. A damaged record. You know reason as you want to go take lawyer. Your useless followers no come to advise you. You they stay on the ground, they insult. If they not get the insult smoke bola, you know they come inside the game. We notice. Then you know, then you advise me to make to be scared of me, scared of if you Bontraway. If you not see her, read her matter, they disgrace them. Me, any video want a screenshot, now me come and say, I don't care. Not another matter. It's either I do spot I go open her phone and on screenshots. Yes. Or I go do not see me for another matter to screenshot. Now me go do and give on a topic. Yes, when I increase. If you have Bontraway, the only single bastard, you know, stop calling me, good they kill you. Why they call me, you call person 5 times, you not pick, you not rest. You see how Ekia association. How Ekia association, I saw their character be. Idiots. Nenetity. Idiots. Eh? Ekia get now only how to disturb person. Now they know how to disturb. Lazy youth, you know, made they walk. When they call woman. Lazy youth. Very soon now, the other lazy youth go enter live video, they fool himself. Lazy youth. I just dropped my son. Very soon I'm going to school. Next 2 weeks. Are you crazy? Listen to it. But where? When did they insult Enogie? They stay on that fake account. If Enogie they insult, thank you, my love. If Enogie they insult Ekia, but when not they call inside? No, I'm no video presenter. But wow, single father. I never see you useless. Rich Bontrowe. Imagine Donny. God, for me to born pikin when man go collect. Me I not born. Me that pikin not come life. Pikin man go collect a diagmo. When I did life, man go dey I go dey pay man unter heart. What a disgrace to my personality over my dead body. I can never do that. No, it's a disgrace to a woman. If a man they collect money instead of you to collect from the man. Chentron no pass this one. He said, na pikin. Person don't fail. Which excuse they go give? Na pikin, yes, na pikin. But you are a failure as a mother. Let me tell you one thing. You have failed. Who way? Our money when they get up they collect, Money when they get up they collect. It's either she spend that for Ojuju. Every small TV about they go river or turn the river ya turn to all the river for this Europe tonto. He got the molest all the river. Still, the man where you born for, the last pikin where you born 3 father 3 children, the man not call you make your cause affect her. The river mommy water. May you can't say since I collect this pikin, mommy water not let me rest. Mommy water they pursue me to go. But you will come and collect your children. No. One molest say. Or in the name of una tradition. Tradition, a traditional woman. When you say in the semi-segenedo, husband they go work. What a pity. Una they talk, una they reason. Wako they reason? Una they reason. Una they talk, una they reason. No. You people don't reason. Una just they talk all in the name of saga. No calculation. No idea. I just pity you they listen to una. Stupid followers with stupid motivational. Traditional woman, when they say they say so, but you forget the tradition. Say when a woman is living under a man roof, she have no right to fornicate. No, you don't know that. You don't know that. What a pity. Who are you people motivating? What do you are supposed to motivate as a segeneto when they fight for being according to owner? Now how woman could take the stay husband house? Not be you where fornication adulterous. Bontrowe where people not gave it for us. You where ma pursue. When he carry Ekia bola come from Italy. You buy a laptop 1,002. Hakure. That one they brag say he do for free. He work put I collect 2,630 euro. You see they brag. Why Bontrowe invite man come? What a pity to my personality. For people who is not up to my standard talking to me. Are you mad? Bontrowe. You invite man come from Italy. You bought him a ticket. You bought man ticket. You the laugh person. You buy ticket for her. You buy this thing for her. Waiting. You buy a laptop. You buy tickets. Oh, come. What a disgrace to a woman. You see why they fight me. Because I'm so wise. Now that money when I don't give, I know they fall victim like them. They hate me with passion. I don't give a dime. I'm a smart woman. You start from tickets. From Italy. You rent hotel for 1 week. I never did that. Good morning, my love. You are living with a man. They go work. Night duty security. With children. 3 boys. 2 when you first born for different men. Plus the one when you born for the man. The man not care say you first born for different men. He accept you with the 3 children. With the 2 bastards when you first born. He accepts you with the two bastards when you first born. The one when you born for her, the man they go work. Night duty. Hotel when you rent for the man, for the boy, no, it's not enough. You bought enough to bring it from hotel because you don't get person to leave your children for. You bring out in the afternoon, you go block man for hotel. In the night, you bring a man to your matrimonial home. And you are saying you are fighting for a dough. Eri waro wato ge. Eri waro wato ge. As soon as the husband has the fornicate, the vaga. All kinds of bola. You invite man, you buy it, you start from tickets. You start from hotel. The hotel is not enough. Your husband, they go night duty. You bring the same man to your house in the night to scandalize you in the presence of your children. You are talking to me. Moi. If you're up, you are a stupid woman among the women. If you don't know today, let me tell you. If they like, they settle. The which can settlement, I be get what you know they do right when you be say if you keep. You can't insult me, call me a thief, call me names, and be so. No, this is not the first time, not the second, not the third, not the fourth. You understand? That kind of settlement, I don't call that friendship as a friend. That is not how friends should be. Enogie, even though I said to be careful from a friendly friend. Okay? So you buy a ticket. You pay for hotel. Which kind of bola be that? Which bola? Na diamond. You buy a ticket, you pay hotel 1 week. It's not enough. You buy a laptop when man supposed to buy for woman. Ample. Me know they use ample. I can't buy ample for a man. What a disgrace. That is not enough. When it come make you cry, come out. You take 1,002 from your wallet off for bola. Once bola. But where you are a disgrace. If you not see who tell you, then they fear to tell you. Me, I'm not scared of that. Nothing where I repeat. Nothing for this social media. When you go benegbe. No. Nine. No. At least I born. Pikin there with me for us. Abi? Bravo for me. Plus mark. All respect to single mother. When Pekin day with for us, respect. If you like born for 10 men, now woman you be. No easy. You give man first trip, you buy tickets going and coming. You pay for hotel in 1 week, maybe almost 500. You buy laptop 1, 2. You give him 1, 2, getting to 3,000 euro. For a man. Ha! You dey count yourself woman among women. What a pity. What a pity. Freak bola. More are not coming here now. Let's say I'll stop this one. This one, people they call in here. People they call in here. Freak bola must stop. Spending of bola must stop. Freak bola got to stop. You understand me? People they call me there. I know they enter there, they enter here now. These from people they call here. Like they be one contribute. My phone don't fall. They be one contribute. Imagine. Imagine. You are a disgrace to a woman. You are a disgrace among women. What a pity. First trip to your house, you spend getting to 3,000 euro. And you never go house. That 3,000 euro, you go carry you go for the first trip, you know, rich. If they go before you go rich. You go carry you go home, go come. Hey, I tell ya. You spend 3,000 euro. 3,000 euro. For bola. What a pity. What a pity. 3,000 plus. For just. They say the man thing. Now like this it be. Enogie. When you spend 3,000 plus and you they laugh me. I pity your useless followers. I pity them. Single mother get great. If you want to follow a stupid woman, follow a person like me. Although they say I'm stupid, I have good things to motivate you. I have experience. I practice what I preach. Not be that drunker, smoker. He always in Morocco. He don't drink. Senegal, ye Gambia be to la senjo. Ya munu you ya to la senjo. She don't smoke. She don't drink. The next thing, that to on live video, they find who not find now, and she call herself. She they talk to me. When if he bring ma come house with the money, with the tickets. Yeah, so she not get house. She never go house for 26 years. She never go house. She never go house. She spent 3,000 plus for a bowler like this. What a pity to my personality. And you will come out, come they talk to me, say, he come your ass, he do the vaga you. He come this, he do the vaga me. No. He come my house to work. I received 2,630 euro from him. From him. Are you mad? Going back, I'm not buying a ticket. He demand, I got gone. Do you understand me? You got me? So, Bontrowe, please. And the most painful part, you're the insult Rita. She married Kokobiri. Akure. Ologbo Junction. Ha! My sister. Joy. Don't pray to even born a child like Bontrowe. Enogie, please avoid such a friendly friend. A friendly friend. If you get friend where they make friend with your enemy as a human being, avoid them. Please share the video, share the video, share the video, share the video. If you get friend where they make friend with your enemy, not let them be a close friend. Don't let them be a close friend. Make him or her a distance friend. How can you tell Enogie make go apologize to man when okay, he insult his wife, not be a problem. Fine. But in the insult his children. What did make me they talk to this nenetity? Now my child, when he called the show for a live video, then they make me say anything when you want to talk. I give you go ahead. Talk am. Please, Mike, make also say you get post them. You understand? I permit you post them. You are still working for Mike Bekos. This why people can't know me so not through the bowler. So tell me free bowler when I don't go where 2,630 euro plus popularity plus leaking. I come 35 times. How I tell you, sometimes it's good as a woman. May you find wait on just footballer to scratch your Bekos so that all the bad mucus. Now because I just come from Nigeria, my face look neat after cleaning the mucus. You got me? No makeup. May if you Bontrowe come out, may you say you very even and she dey laugh Umare Kokobiri. Why it be say me my Benin people? I'm sorry to use this. Benin no be a do. Una waiting there on a body, una take the laugh person. Why? Why it be say now waiting there on a body? Please wanna share the video now. I've come to realize you know why I can't use to this saga. What you now they pray for una prayer points. That is what you people fight against. Fight against. Una prayer points. You people fight against it. Waiting there on a body. Now una take the laugh people. Why? Why is it like that? Why? Okay, because say Bontrowe just here say, thank you, my love. Because say Bontrowe here say, Ekia Maka na free and the work puts. In the fact, Benin people are so, no, I'm sorry to use this word, some Benin people, especially the female presenter Bontrowe, according to Ekia, they are so cheap and useless. Some of them, not all. Monetization, to apply for a monetization. Now, una just the lawyer to smoke bola because of, to help una. Tell thanks to Ekia. All thanks to Ekia. This my page. When I did Nigeria, get one video when I blog, when I see, I can't carry that 12 years old child. When he go to Yahoo, I know the title, I know title and where they can't give me community stand. That make me never monetize this page. Now me happy myself to that community stand. I did it. My YouTube, my big YouTube where they bring down by Ekia no Finyawo. I create, do them everything. This blogging when Ekia they do, so I put him through. I'm a JSS2 dropout. I'm not a graduate. I apply for my monetization for my 2 channel myself. I teach him how to create videos. I teach him. I'm a JSS2 dropout. I'm so proud to be smart. You got me, JSS2 dropout. I did everything. I did not go to subscription and stars myself. But because of the community standard, when I come across, when I break, I cannot apply and I have to wait for some time. Do you got me? Why are you people so useless to be appreciating a common thing? At least if you can write, you can read. Just go to YouTube. Go to Google. Everything you want in this life is on YouTube. Why are you people all thanks to Ekia for helping me? All thanks to Ekia. You people, they display illiteracy. What a pity to my personality. My YouTube, I'm the one doing it. I'm the one doing it. Nobody. Imagine this Ekia. This Ekia gets, when I go they call me, I do live video now. My beautiful women, please wait for me to finish. Please, no one share this video. Please, if you want to call, which number I go put? Maybe like I go stop this or show. I know when I wait, I don't want more to contribute. Let me talk sense to them. Later, when I feel contribute. I did everything. All thanks to Ekia, all thanks to no matter J school emoji button. Please, no one share the video. Very, very good morning, my love. Good morning, everybody. What a pity. When I see why I'm so brave as a woman. I'm a GSS2 dropout in Ronigbe Grammar School. I have. You call me later. More than not, they call me through number. Not so I won't contribute. Please wait. Please, people in Osho Proud Mom, please join me in Proud Mom Gist TV. Please. I know what they do. I know they come this place again. I'll the more follow me, Proud Mom Gist TV. It will show Proud Mom. Now there I want to do my video now. This one I tell I say I just make a P. I need to create the other page before they answer me for this. You got me? Before they answer me for this. You know, they hear me. Una go they come out on her. They talk to una to no say una useless. Imagine this Ekia get almost 20 presenter password, Facebook and YouTube. I see them. I can name them. I know them. Any us they take the fights for her. All those illiterate JK na number 1 and the gang. JK and the gang for Munich. Now in the help them they operate. Imagine waiting me they do. Waiting me they do. Now my uncle they oppress me. I know I'll talk truth again. I put him through how to create, how to do a lot of things when he 2 weeks when he come to my house. Now make me not give her €1. When I go to a page now, my video plenty there with my face there. Unless you don't delete them, I make those videos. How can I be working for a man, feeding him? At the same time, you expect me to give him money. When I not say work, when I dey work, I save almost, I gather money for a Kogo room. We be new women, more now go back to school. Before all those also they support and they attack me. He have their, thank you, my love. He have their password. A good mail. As far as you can read and write. Create time. This is my laptop. Anything I want to do, I come here. Nobody can intimidate me.